peoples of the Instagram. Welcome to the Creative Lab. I have an awesome activity for you and your child to partake in today. Drum roll, please. We will be creating a parody. Now, what is a parody? I'll tell you. A parody is a funny version of a famous person. Now, who is more famous than my homegirl, Mona Lisa? Actually, it is a proven fact that she is the most recognizable face in the world and the most used for parodies. So we're gonna jump on the parody bandwagon and create our own version of Mona Lisa. What you will need for this activity is the template that we already have located for you on the website and some colored markers, pencil crayons, whatever you decide to use. We are going to explain to our child what a parody is, and we're going to give them maybe some ideas to kind of ignite that creativity. So say, you know what, if I was doing this parody, I would put Mona Lisa, let's say, on the beach, rollerblading, with a hat on because she's outside in the sun, eating birthday cake. You can make Mona Lisa into a mermaid, you can make her into a knight, you can make her into a policeman, a firefighter, whatever you guys decide. Once Mona Lisa and the parody is finished, I would show them the real version of Mona Lisa and just say, this is what the real Mona Lisa looks like. And maybe a little bit of history about her, right? Like she was a woman that Leonardo da Vinci created in the 1500s. Then ask your child some questions about their Mona Lisa. Things like, tell me about your Mona Lisa, all open-ended questions, because we want to create some confidence in the child as they are talking about their art. Once we did all that, we can ask our child, do you think Mona Lisa needs some friends? And the question should be yes, because we have another template for you guys, some more recognizable faces. What you will need for this activity is scissors, because you're going to have to cut out these faces, glue them onto a piece of paper, and then begin to create the parody of these famous faces. Once you're done, you can continue the activity by saying, do you want to write about our friends? Maybe give them names, how old they are, what their hobbies are, what their favorite colors are. Once we've done all this, it doesn't just have to end at that. It doesn't have to end at, the art. It can be, let's start writing about it. Let's write stories about it. Anything to engage your child in like a fun, creative notion. All right, friends, have fun with this activity. I can't wait to see what your parodies look like. I think I might draw one too. I might get everybody in my house to draw a parody, so fingers crossed. And have fun, be safe, and we'll see you soon.